food lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is Kavya. I prepare pure vegetarian recipes that are very easy to make and they can be done on the go. You can also watch them in Telugu and I'll link the Telugu channel in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, K Cooks Recipes. Today's recipe is extremely special. It's an experiment and it turned out to be perfect. It's a surprise veggie pizza and today we're going to make it from scratch, including the pizza base and the pizza sauce. Now, this is a surprise veggie pizza because you can't see the toppings from outside. It just looks like a classic margherita pizza, but when you bite into it, you get a burst of all the flavors, all the toppings that we've made. So let's get into the process without any further ado. Now let's prepare the dough first. Take half a cup of warm water in a bowl and add about 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Now to this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. So the sugar acts like a nice food for the yeast to, activate. Give it a quick stir and you need about 2 to 3 minutes for it to activate, so just keep it aside, don't touch it. Now once the yeast is activated, take about 2 cups of flour and add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I'm using olive oil here because it adds a nice flavor to the pizza, because olives and pizza, for me personally, they go well together. Now we want to knead the dough a lot. Just play with it, punch it, beat it, do whatever you want. This helps the yeast activate a lot. Just see how beautiful it is. It's so cute, right? So now this is a technique we do for the pizza base to be perfect in its texture. You want to tuck the dough as shown and you want to rest it. Now the key here for making a perfect pizza base is you should not let the dough dry. So I'm putting in some oil on top. It's again olive oil. And cover it with a lid and rest in a warm place for about 2 to 3 hours. Now while your dough is doubling up, let's make the pizza sauce. Take about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Don't take olive oil because we're going to heat it up. So just take any vegetable oil. Add about 5 to 6 garlic pods in it, chopped of course, and give it a quick stir. You want to add in chopped onion, 1 big into this. Just saute it lightly. Add about 2 to 3 small green chillies. And also 4 to 5 tomatoes. Now this recipe is foolproof. You can store it in the fridge for about 7 to 10 days if it's a cool place. And you can use it in all your dishes. Add about 1 teaspoon each of salt, chili powder and sugar to this. Give it a quick stir and you want to add the hero of this pizza, that is the Italian seasoning. If you don't have Italian seasoning, oregano works well. And add about 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And for the pizza sauce to be perfectly cooked, you need to cover it, simmer it for about 20 minutes on a low flame. And after that's done, keep it on a high flame for about 5 minutes and keep sauteing continuously. That way you'll get a perfect pizza sauce. Now our pizza dough is ready. Look how airy and fluffy it is. Just punch, punch, punch. See how cute it is. On a pizza pan, sprinkle in some flour to avoid the pizza base to be sticking to the pizza pan. Give it a quick massage and spread it like this. Now we want thicker edges, so you just want to roll the edges and pinch it. This way you'll get that perfect, classic raw, handmade pizza base. Prick it with a fork to avoid fluffing up. Add shredded 4 cheese just on the base. This is completely optional, but it's your choice. Now let our pizza sauce cool down and I've blended it like this. Spread the pizza sauce, top it out with onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, olives, jalapenos and marinated cottage cheese. To hide all these veggies, add shredded 4 cheese instead of the traditional mozzarella and add in a lot and just hide all of them away. You want it to be a separate layer on top of this instead of just a topping on the vegetables. Look Look how beautiful this looks. Now, in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Sprinkle in some love and some seasoning on top and cut it. Just enjoy it hot and with a Coke on the side. I just loved it. It turned out to be perfect. You can also try it. It's a foolproof recipe. Try and let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to K Cooks. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.